sorry, I was just curious what you're up to.
I'm looking for the greatest treasure ever.
What's that?
My voice.
I heard it helps if you have body language.
What?
Body language.
Not that kind of voice. No worries though, because I think I'm about to find mine. Carrots? Carrots.
Big hands! Ah! Ah!
Wait! I was hungry and I wanted some carrots and I was gonna help you find your voice. What are you guys doing out here? Okay, slow down, you two. I don't really understand what you're saying.
Sorry about that. I'm searching for my voice, and we ran into Big Hands. Then we freaked out, and then we ran.
Well, it doesn't sound like you lost your voice at all.
No, not that. You know how we were studying Leader and Me in school? Well, I'm on the Habit 8, and it says I should find my voice. I'm not exactly sure what that means, so I'm out looking for the treasures marked on this Leader and Me treasure map from Mr. Wellhoff. He said the Dalai Lama would hear the voices.
Ah, so you're searching for buried treasure, huh? Well, I am, great at Habit 8, so mind if I join you guys?
That would be great. Where should we start?
How about the library? Because I'm hungry for knowledge.
As funny as that sounds, it's actually a really good idea. Come on, let's go. Hi, Sherman. I'm helping my friend here find his voice.
Oh, well that's good, because you came to the right place. We're talking about what we're passionate about.
Not sure how this passion thing is going to help me. We better keep looking. Thanks for your help, guys.
My talent is climbing ropes and I can help people get fit.
And I like writing songs because it makes people feel happy. My talent is dance and I can help teach people and entertain them.
We like to jump with our friends. We love to dance.
I'm double jointed. Ba, ba, ba.
I like your excuse.
We like acting.
Eliza, you're falling! I can't get up! I love basketball.
We love gymnastics.
Oh, hey, Dell. How you doing?
Hi, I'm helping my friend Helen here with Habit 8.
Well, what great time you guys have. What great time do you have? I love Habit 8.
What do you mean?
Well, we're learning how to, as a class and as a school, what we do is we do food drives all the time. We did that thing in Africa and gave them clothes and food and stuff. When our community needs us, we really step up to the plate.
I liked it when we cleaned the parks and cleaned up the bike path by the river.
Yeah, that was cool.
See, Habit 8 is all about filling needs. What do you think you can to fill your needs?
Well, I haven't found my voice yet. I have to get going. Thank you, guys.
Dance.
Hi guys, I'm on Habit 8 and I'm looking for my voice.
Hey guys, you heard him. Let's tell him what he needs to hear. What does your conscience tell you? What does your conscience tell you?
Well?
The little voice inside my head says, don't look back. My legs say, run. Where to next?
I don't think you can handle the next room. We call them committed.
What do you mean? Like crazy? I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. Does that count?
No, silly. They're just really committed to Habit 8. Come on, let's go. Here we are.
Me, passion, conscience.
Talent, need, passion, conscience.
Talent, need, passion, conscience.
Talent, need.
That was intense. They're really committed to Habit 8. Fortunately, I don't think that's going to help me.
What do you mean? They pretty summed up all you need.
I know, but sadly, I don't think I have enough talent good enough to share. Mrs. Lamb stated we need them all. How can we find my voice if we don't have them?
Well, we have one place on the treasure map that might be able to help us. The Dalai Lama.
Oh my goodness, you're right. I completely forgot about that. He'll be able to help me find my voice.
I did it!
There, Mrs. Base, on top of the jungle gym.
They say the Dalai Lama is all-knowing with wisdom beyond our years, guys.
Well, hopefully you help me find my voice before it's too late.
Let's go!
Excuse me, Dalai Lama, sir. I was told you could hear the voices and possibly help find my voice.
Yes, I'd love to help you. That's not a treasure map. That's where I store all my chocolate. And I know why you're here, my boy. To find your voice.
Yes, it's true. Do you know how I can find my voice?
Adele.
Adele Computer?
No, Adele!
The singer?
Hello, it's me.
No, Thanksgiving is over, you turkey. Adele, your friend right there. She's been taking you around showing you the needed keys to find your voice. You know, talent, passion, need, conscience.
I guess you're right, but I don't have enough talent good enough to share.
That's where you're wrong, my boy. And it's where I can help.
My skateboard, my Mona Lisa, my Excalibur, the wind beneath my wings. How did you know I love skating? You truly are wise beyond your years.
Well, they don't call me the all-known for nothing.
Yeah, I get it now. Would you mind talking me through Habit 8 again to find my voice?
I would love to. First of all, what's your talent? It can be anything. Some people are great at ear wiggling. Some are great at solving Rubik's Cube. Some are great at acting. Some are great at jump rope. Your talent can be virtually anything.
I'm really good at skateboarding. Can that also be my passion?
You betcha. What does your conscience encourage you to do?
That I could use my skateboarding talent passion to teach them how to skateboard and maybe start a new skateboarding group.
Excellent. I think you just found your voice.
We encourage you to live Habit 8 every day and use your voice to help others.
Wow, isn't Habit 8 great? Is anybody passionate about cooking? Wow! I'm hungry.
Everybody get up, it's time to slam now. We got the real jam going down. Welcome to the Space Jam. Here's your chance, do your dance at the Space Jam. Alright.